ones, Ian. Morning, how are you? You alright, lad? Yeah, couldn't be better.
I'm just skipping in behind you.
Yeah, you alright, love? Morning. Good morning, young man. No idea. Yeah, it's alright, just keep out the way. No, no, because of the fence. It's alright, they'll sort it.
Where are you going to park?
I don't know what they're doing.
I've got an exhaust what looks like that. Might not sound the same, Kurt, but hey, you know.
Well, it's all about how you use it.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Where's your missus, Nick? Away? Where's your missus? Away?
Yeah, she is, yeah.
So just think, it gets every weekend to come and play.
Well, not every weekend.
Well, some weekends. Well, Keeley, is it me or is that a dark horse coming in as well? It looks like one of the new dark horses. Colour code them. Best thing to do is colour code them. Why not? I'll leave them to it. They'll find parking spaces somewhere.
Somewhere.
When you want a van, you can't get any. You look there, there's 3. Okay. Nice 25 plate. Drop dead gorgeous. For a dark horse anyway. Yeah. Yeah, it's a Hartwell one. It's definitely a Hartwell one. It is nice though, gotta give it credit.
Yeah, but Hartwell. Yeah, my husband filmed it in the showroom.
Right, so there's a bit of good news, everybody. This dark horse is the one that we filmed at Hartwell Ford. And the gentleman watched our upload. Let's quickly grab a plane and then I'll explain to you. So you got planes. I know. Oh, he's going. Sorry, bud. Anyway, so as I was saying about the dark horse, now. Gotta get out of the way, everybody, because it's trying to park these on here. Anyway, so we were saying about the dark horse. That's the one that we've just built, the Hartwell Ford, and the gentleman watched our upload. Oh, this is what I mean. There's quite a few here today anyway. Of course, just to quickly get into it, it is all about raising money as well for different, you know, occasions, so to speak, but of course it's mainly for cancer. Anyway, so we were saying about the dark horse. Yeah, so the gentleman saw our upload and he actually went and bought that dark horse out the showroom. So we've just been chatting about that, so it's a really big thank you to him. Anyway, right, so what we're going to do is going to take a walk about, but I'll bring you back in a second. So just want a quick word with Josh. Nothing wrong, we're watching bloody Top Gear. Anyway, everybody, just to quickly point out, exploring with Josh and Pablo is here today as well. And we've also got this gorgeous little beast coming in. That is absolutely stunning, that. We are going to take a walk around the cars. Of course, we are like we normally do. Ford GT. Right, so we're gonna crack on. We're gonna get around the cars now, and then we're gonna do what we need to do. Morning, young man. Morning, Jan.
Morning.
You all right?
Yeah.
Right, so we're going to get around the cars. So, of course, we filmed Sally yesterday anyway, obviously, at Tesco. And, of course, there is a load of runners. We'll just quickly show you. There's a load of runners here, there, and everywhere as well, because that's what they do out here. There's obviously aeroplanes, so we are going to try and bring you back in a sec. Anyway, so we're going to crack on, get around the cars. But like we said about the dark horse, it's so good of the gentleman. You know, he watched the upload and he actually went out and bought the dark horse. So I've got another plane coming in as well, so we'll grab that. We're just going to grab some planes and stuff while we're here at the same time today. I might as well. Then we've got another Mustang coming in as well. So we'll grab this one as well. Like I said, we are going to get round these cars today, put them back on. But, we'll see how we get on in the next 10 minutes. Right, so what we're going to do then, we're going to spin the camera back round to where we originally was, get round these, and then we'll get round the other line of cars as well. But as we said, don't forget, it is all for a good cause as well. It's to raise money for prostate cancer and that as well. And that's what a lot of this is all about. But the Dark Horse, yes, I've got to give full credit. It's an absolutely drop dead gorgeous car. I think anybody what knows my personal opinion about the screen, not a keen lover on the screen itself, but it's not a problem, to be honest. I mean, it's the new design of cars anyway on the Mustangs, so of course they're going to redesign it with something completely different. But this one didn't have plates on it, so this is the brand new one. That's the brand new one what we filmed in Hartwell. Like the gentleman said, he went out and he bought it after watching our upload. Absolutely brilliant, and that is really, really good as well, and it is stunning. Right, we'll carry on as we said we was going to, and then as soon as you turn you have another one coming in. But this is the line from this side going down. So then you've got Kirk's just over here as well. Nice GT. We probably might just get some plane footage as well while we're here. We don't know. Well, we've already got some like. Well, like we said, that's what a lot of these are all about. Raising money for good causes, especially on the cancer side of it. And that's what it's all about, everyone. I know a lot of people will say, oh well, you've seen one Mustang, you've seen them all. Maybe that could be true, but it's not just about, oh, there's another aeroplane there, if you can see that. Oh, another one's just took off. Yeah, as I was saying, it's not just about it being a Mustang, but it's the designs on the Mustang, you know, how you can put your own design to your own. That is pretty loud, you can see that, just taking off. But yeah, like we said, once you put your own designs, you know, onto your vehicles, they look really good. I mean, if anybody looks at the one that Liam's got, the Martini one, and how well put together that has, you know, been put together, and how well it stands out as well, and especially on the track out at Cadwell. But yeah, there's some runners in and around the village, or was. It looks like they've stopped running now, but there was earlier when we come. Well, that is really nice, that one. That's what I said about putting your own design on a nice car like these, especially on a Shelby. Well, any. Well, that absolutely drop dead gorgeous. It really is. A nice picture of that one for definite. Well, this one, this is absolutely stunning. That is gorgeous. Let's get the camera in. Leather seats. Look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. And on the back end, if we can. Sorry, pal, get out your way.
No, you're alright. Geos. What's this kind of thing with? Do you know?
Yeah, so 2 more's just turned up. So what we're going to do is we're going to try and grab the next 2, what's just come in. So the black one, that is just coming in. I don't know where the other one's gone, actually. I've just seen it somewhere. But anyway, we've got another one here. And that is really nice as well. Oh, it's 281. Tell you what though, must be busy with planes today, because we're also getting planes on. So I might as well, while we're here, planes and cars today. Yeah, so another Mustang came in. I don't know where the hell it's gone. Do you, Josh? Just had another one come in. One's just passed me here, and there was another one come in. Oh, right. Yeah, I know that one is.
I don't know where the other one is though.
Oh, we'll find it. There's another aeroplane circling as well. Tell you, it's mad as hell when you're out here. Because if you want to film some planes and that, all you got to do is just stand here and admire the cars and admire the planes coming in at the same time. Look. There you go, it's another one. Yeah, like we said, it's all in a good cause. Of course, it's for cancer and that. So yeah, it's what it is. And that's what these events and everything. That's what it's all about. Oh, hang on. I think I've spotted the other one. Just over there where Keeley is. Morning, young man. You alright, lad?
Yeah.
Good. Yeah, lovely gentleman who owns this black one. I'll tell you what though, it's absolutely gorgeous. That's why I said we'll come and take a bit of a quick look on this. And then we'll go to that one, because that one's just come in as well. Yeah, it's really nice. It's gorgeous. Right, we'll just come over to the next one. I've seen it coming in, but I didn't manage to grab the footage on it.
He's the only one. He's on the first registration. You got deal though.
Yeah. So it's really nice as well. Nice and stunning, of course. Why would it not be? And then, of course, there's your wonderful dark horse. Absolutely beautiful, that is. Ah, there's another one there. It's a Mach 1. See, this is what I mean, everybody. You know what I mean? You stop filming and then all of a sudden another one pops up. So we'll grab the Mach 1 as well. It's a beautiful Mach 1. It's gorgeous. There you go. Yeah, beautiful. I like the colour in that as well. It's absolutely gorgeous. It really is. Very nice. And here another aeroplane somewhere. Yeah, it's mad as out here. Well, that it's just bloody stunning. I'm glad we filmed that. I'm really so pleased we filmed that. Excellent. So it's so nice to know that somebody took a really good interest. So nice to know. And I'm glad the gentleman went out and bought it. I really am. So pleased. Look at it. It's how it all stands out. It's gorgeous. Right. So up to now is what we've filmed and what is here. So it's a question of if anything else comes in, we'll be more than happy to grab that one as well. A lot of people think I get bored with Mustangs, but believe me, I don't. It's one thing I do not do. Never get bored with them.
But he's now employed now, like, he's trained up, you know. So yeah. So at least it's you know, like, the car's going alright. Oh, well, yeah.
Yeah, in a bit.
We're leaving at 11. Oh, right, okay. That's what I was telling you.
Okay, so I'll see you in a bit.
Right, if any more comes in, we'll grab it. Nice gorgeous bullet.
Easy. Yeah. If I ever go. Right though, gets mucky again.